Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
If you want perfect posture, this simple trick will work.
Of course, Bob, and we're going to show you in just a little bit. Very simple, but before...
I'm trying to show contrast here, Brad.
Well, you are contrasting, Bob. You're a contrast from
By the
A to Z.
way, if you are new to our channel, please take a second. This hurts just even doing this for a little while. If you are new to the channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free. We upload every day. Also, you want to go to Facebook, Bob and Brad, we are doing a giveaway. And I'm not sure what we're doing right now, but it's either going to be a mattress or it's Thermatex, the far infrared heating system.
Right.
Or pad.
Yeah, for those sore muscles, joints, etc.
Yeah, you're going to love it.
And
It's fantastic.
The bed is a really nice, over $1,000 bed. Anyways, Bob, posture. We talk about posture left and right. As physical therapists, you know, we learn about posture. We learn about all the muscles that produce good posture, how to get them in that position. And then we have to educate our patients, or in this case, the whole world, how to get that posture. And it's sad. You don't say, well, get your lower traps and, you know, get those to fire and pull your scapulas down.
Do a cervical retraction.
Right, cervical, all these technical things that people just look at you and their eyes glaze over and they're like this.
And then they forget.
Right. So as therapists, we're always thinking of things that can, verbal cues to get people to do something right very simply. So that's the trick on this video.
That's what we're hoping is going to click with you.
There you go. So this is it.
All right.
This
is a great one to do in your car.
Right. As a matter of fact, this is, you know, one I think about in the car. Let's say you're in your car and you accelerate really fast, you feel your body go back. Or if you're in a jet plane on takeoff, you feel that pulling back. So that's what I want you to imagine. I want you to imagine you're in a jet plane or a race car that's going to go from 0 to 100 miles an hour in about 0.2 seconds, and you're just going to feel your body back against the car seat or the seat, or you could do this against the wall, and everything is pulling you back like this. So your chin goes back against, usually in a car you have a car seat where your head is. That's what I use in my car seat for a little tactile cue. And my shoulders are getting flattened back. Everything is back. My chest sticks out a little bit because the shoulders are back. And that's the exercise. It's that simple. You don't have to think about shoulders down and scapulas inward and retract the chin. Just get in that car, pull back, and relax.
I like the idea that, you know, before you even take off in your car, that you should feel that your head against that headrest, and you should feel, you know, everything back. The shoulders should be back.
Right.
And generally, you know, one additional cue, Brad, or one additional change you want to make. You want to make sure your seat's fairly upright.
Right. Yep.
You don't want to, if it's leaning way back, you're gonna do this automatically. If it's leaning way back, you're gonna bring your head forward to try to get your eyes level. I mean, so.
So that's that simple.
Well, why don't you show the wall? Boom.
It don't make the noise. I always make the noise, and you know, people kind of look at you. It doesn't bother me anymore. In the car, when I do that, like at a stop sign, if I'm doing my chin tucks, you kind of have to look.
You look around to see if
people are watching you.
So
it won't be long though. Another couple of years, and everyone's going to be doing this in their cars.
Yeah, so it'll be common.
And if you're at the office or at home, just find a wall. You can do it in a chair, but you can do it standing too. You're just standing there and open your eyes up like that too. It's more fun, especially if you got kids. This is a good way to teach your kids posture. You know, feel that go. I feel it's going. You know, if we can make exercises a little more fun, put a smile on your face, get your posture good, it's a win-win situation.
I'm literally speechless.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching.